Hello, hello. My name is Dan and I help people earn extra income online. So today I'm going to show you how you can make $900 a day or more. Okay. Working just 2 hours a day around your schedule. I'm going to break it down to you, everything that you need to do. I've had enough success with this program to test it, to know how it works, to know that it does work. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to break it down, just try to really explain everything very clearly so you know exactly what you need to do to start earning $900 a day or more. Okay. Trust me, this program works. I've tried many things online, but I've had the best results with this program. So this is the Legacy Builder program, my friends. So let me just show you. So we show you how to earn $900 a day. What you need, step one, you need a product that you can promote for 100% profit. Inside of our system, inside of our program, we promote 4 done-for-you digital programs for 100, 300, 600, and $900. These are programs inside of the e-learning industry, which is a $1 billion a day industry, highly profitable industry. Okay, and we promote top selling programs for 100% profit, right? Okay, so step number 2, you need a way to automate your business. So we give you a pre-built, done-for-you automated system so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. And then step number 3, you need a way for people to discover your business, okay? If people can't discover your business, you're not going to make any sales and you're not going to make any money. So we teach you how to post free ads on high traffic websites for 30 minutes a day and how to create 3 pieces of content that you post to your social media to attract people to you, okay? When it comes to marketing, when it comes to promoting a business, there's basically 4 different ways that you can promote a business. One is free ads. So we teach you how to do free ads where you're just posting ads on social media, which is free. And there's like 5 billion people on social media. So you want to start creating content to build your business, okay? So you can start making money by creating content. You can also monetize your social media by creating content. Like on my TikTok, guys, all I do is create 3 pieces of content a day. That's all I do. I have like over 12,000 people. Look, I have like 12,000 people on my TikTok, all because I just follow our program and I create 3 pieces of content a day and I go live. That's why. So it works. So instead of just consuming content, you want to create content, right? So yeah, like I said, in marketing, if you want to make money with your business, you need a market. You need to get good at marketing. So there's 4 ways you can promote your business. Free ads, which we teach. There's paid ads. Okay, you can do any of these. People have success with all of these. We teach the free ad method, so you don't have to spend any money on ads, right? So there's free ads, there's paid ads, there's your warm market. When you reach out to your warm market, that could be your friends, your family, your followers. You reach out to them, you see if they're interested in, in your business, either joining your business or purchasing a product or service from you, right? So we don't really teach that either, but you can do all of these things when it comes to building a business. And there's also cold messaging. Okay, cold market where you message people you don't even know. Like you could send messages, to people on social media. This is called cold message marketing. Okay, so they all work. You can do them all, but we teach you how to do the free method and to attract people to you. Okay, we teach you attraction marketing. So people will come to you asking for more information. You don't have to chase anyone down. And trust me, this works. I have people reaching out to me on a daily basis asking for more information about my business based on the kind of content I create. So when you create content, you want to stop the scroll. You want to do something, you want to stop the scroll because people are scrolling on social media. So you want to grab their attention. For example, I can create a hook, right? The hook is the first thing and many people say it's the most important thing to grab people's attention. So I could create some content like this, okay? And I've created I can say the same thing over and over again because it doesn't matter because that's your brand. That's part of what you're promoting. So if you're promoting something like how to lose weight, you just say the same thing over again, over and over again, right? You want to do something that's like even clickbait. It's okay if it's clickbait as long as it's honest. So I'll say something like this. This is my hook. Check it out. Would an extra $900 a day help you out? That's an extra $27,000 a month, an extra $328,000 a year. So do you think that's going to grab people's attention? Of course. So many people would love to learn how to earn $900 a day. Okay, so that's the first step, the hook. Then I'll just fill it with some content. I'll say like, my name's Dan. I'll say my name's Dan. I help people earn extra income online. I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, so I went online and I found this program that shows you how to earn $900 a day or more working just 2 hours a day. Okay, all you need to do is get started, set up your automated system so you can start receiving payments, and then so set up your automated business so you can start making money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, and then plug into our community for ongoing training and support. We offer live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners, and follow our 2-hour workday. We teach you how to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day so you can spend the rest of the day doing whatever you want to do. So if you'd like to know more, and at the end, so first I had my hook, grabbing people's attention, then I had my content, okay? I had the information, the content in between my hook and the last thing is the CTA, the call to action, okay? So at the end of my content, at the end of my video, I'll say like this: if you'd like to know more, comment ready. I would love to share this with you. So what's going to happen? People are going to comment ready, okay? And every time they comment, the social media, the algorithms are going to push my content out to more people. That's why you want to get people to comment. I could say just go to my website, right? I could say as a CTA, I could say go to my website wealthwithdan.com. I could do that, but if I do that, that means they're not going to be commenting. And if they're not commenting, then my content won't be pushed out as much. So that's why I'll say comment ready if you'd like to know more, right? And it works. So this is how you do it, guys. You need a hook, you need your little content in between the hook and the CTA, the call to action. So this is the kind of content that you create. And we teach you how to do this, and we give you so many ideas, different ways of creating simple content. And guys, and it takes like a few minutes to create. It doesn't take long to create content. Like you can do it really fast once you get practice, okay? So 30 minutes posting free ads, 30 minutes creating 3 pieces of content. And then I recommend going live for about 30 minutes a day because it really helps you promote your business. It really helps you grow a following. It really helps you get good at just speaking your message and also just interacting with people, right? So I think going live is really good. And you can also have instant sales. I've had many sales just come from my lives. I get instant sales. I've had sales while I've been making money while I'm on live, while I'm doing my presentation. So going live is super powerful, guys. So I want to show you a little bit more about this business. Check it out. So let me just show you. So this is our community, right? Look at the wins. So here, this section is called wins. Okay, this is a digital growth community, guys. We are the #1 community inside of this platform called School. Okay, we are #1. We have 29,000 members right now. We'll probably have 30,000 by the end of the day because hundreds of people are joining our program because they want to learn how to earn $900 a day working just 2 hours a day. Like who wouldn't want to learn that? Pretty much most people around the world want to learn how to do that. So Daryl, he's a 6-figure earner. He made over $100,000. That's from May though. That's a while ago. So he's made much more than that since then. Jeff, $900. Yeah, Jeff, 900. Sonika, she made 900. She's from South Africa, so she made 16,000 rands because of the currency exchange. Brittany, $1,800 a day. Jeff, it's official. He made over 30,000. He made 30,000 in 45 days. Reshmi, she's made over 24,000 with this program. Sune, 300. Amiri, 900. So guys, every day we have these wins. And the cool thing about these wins is you can use these wins and use them and share these wins on social media to attract people to your business, right? Because people love testimonials, okay? And she made 100 and actually joined this program with me. Ashley, 900 during my nap, okay? So how is she making money during her nap? It's because we have an automated business, that's how. So let me just show you around our community. Right now we're having a legacy builder training, which is pretty soon. It's today. I love these trainings. Ready to be successful and make 6 or even 7 figures online. We'll cover what you need to be successful. Yes, that's the training we're having tonight. I love that. I love that. So look at all the trainings. This is our calendar, okay? So this is the upcoming trainings. This one's early today. I like that. It's an early training for me, 8:30 p.m. That's kind of cool. And so we have a free webinar coming up. This is just our schedule. We have tech support for people who need help with tech. There's not a lot of tech with this business, but when people get set up their automated systems, some people struggle for whatever reason. I don't know why, because I didn't struggle, but some people struggle with it. So we have tech supports to help people if they're struggling to set up their automated business. Like we give you an automated business, right? And you just got to set it up. You just got to follow some videos. For example, look, this is inside of our program, okay? So this is inside of our program. So if you purchase one of the programs, it's going to take you here. It's going to show you step-by-step everything you need to do to get started, okay? So it's going to show you a launch kit for your business, how to launch to profit in 7 days, and then it's going to show you how to automate your business, okay? This is where you set up your automated business. So it's the most important step so you can start receiving payments, guys. Most important step. So you just got to follow all these videos, set up your automated system, and once that's set up, then you just have to, what's next? Start creating your empire, guys. Start promoting your business. That's it. So we show you how to grow a following. We show you how to post free ads. This is just the beginning stuff. There's way more content inside of our program, but that's just the basics to get you set up, okay? So that's the community. And here's the automated business that you get. It looks like this, right? You're going to have a capture page. So people are going to go here. They're going to click on your link. They're going to go here. They're going to put in their email. Okay. So you can build your email list. Email equals income, guys. The bigger the list you have of qualified buyers, the more money you can make, because you can actually promote other offers inside of your email list. We teach you how to build recurring income streams inside of your email list. So they're going to go here. They're going to put in their email. Then they're going to go here to this thank you page. They're going to watch this nice little video, and they're going to learn more about the program. Okay. And then also, you also get this video too. You also get this page. This page is going to go out inside of your emails. So it's going to give people even more information to watch another video. And then if they're ready to buy, they're going to go here. This is your sales page. This is your website that you get. Okay. Learn the $900 daily pay blueprint. Okay. 3 steps, follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profit. Step 1, get started. Step 2, learn how to launch a daily paid business. And step 3, start earning passive income. So you get this really cool website, guys. You don't have to create your own website. You don't have to create anything. Everything's created for you. You just got to set it up. You see my picture? So we've done over 12 million in sales with this website. Okay. So instead of my picture, of course, you put your picture in there and then you're ready to go. So we've done over $12 million in sales in 90 days with this website. So it's a high converting website, guys. It's a high converting system. And these are the programs that we promote, right? We promote 4 done for you digital programs for 100% profit. So this is how we make $100, $300, $600, or $900 over and over again, working just 2 hours a day. So it shows you what's included inside of the programs. You can check out the website. Shows you everything that's included, how to post free ads, how to grow a following, how to make 100% profit from other people's products, finding your ideal customer, how to share your story, mastering storytelling, how to build your brand, discovery method, how to attract customers. Then we show you how to make 6 figures in 6 months, how to build an email list, how to build recurring income streams, email marketing and list building. And we also show you how to create your own digital product or program. And then we have all these bonuses. Okay, you get a Canva crash course. You get all these different bonuses. We teach you how to do faceless marketing as well. All right. So if you purchase the Legacy Builder, you get 4 income streams. That's why the Legacy Builder is the best. Because if you purchase this, then you can make 900 over and over again. Plus you get all of the programs. So you get 4 income streams. So you can make 100, 300, 600, or 900. Or someone can purchase one of these programs. They can purchase the 600, the 300, or the 100. It's up to them, whatever level they want to start at. As soon as they make a purchase from your website, you get paid instantly 100% profits, guys. And then also, look, this is email. We give you a whole, automated system, right? So you also get these emails. We give you these already done for you emails. They're going to look like this, right? So all you have to do is put your name in, because these emails are already set up. You just got to put your name in the emails, and you just got to put your links. Okay. You just got to set up your links. That's all. And then your emails are ready to go. And these emails are going to be following up. They're just going to be sent out on automatically on autopilot. So people are going to be getting these emails from you, which means the good thing about that means you don't have to follow up with anyone, right? So you see all the value here. You see what we have here. This is all the value, and this is how you make $900 a day or more. So what do you do to get started? How does it work? Oh yeah, let me show you. So let me just talk to you a little bit about the 2-hour workday, what I do every day, and how you can get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours. Okay. So if you want to get started with this program, you just purchase one of the programs. I recommend the Legacy Builder, because if you purchase a Legacy Builder, you get the master resale rights to that program, and you also get all of the other programs. Okay. So the master resale rights means you purchase something one time and you can resell it over and over again for 100% profits. So if you purchase a Legacy Builder at 900, you get all of the programs. So you're going to get 4 different income streams. So you can make 900, 600, 300, or 100 over and over again. That's why it's the best to start with the Legacy Builder, because you want to get those $900 commissions, right? You make 12 sales of 900, that's 10,000 right there, guys. That's life-changing income. So, but we're going to teach you how to get thousands of sales, guys. Because the cool thing about this, it's a global opportunity. You can do it anywhere. So what you do, you get started, you purchase one of the programs, you follow the steps inside of our program, you set up your automated business right away. The faster you do that, the faster you can start receiving payments. And with this automated system, it's doing 90% of the work for you, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. This automated system is doing all the selling, it's doing all the telling, it's following up for you, it's closing sales for you, okay? So once you set up your automated business, plug into our community for ongoing training and support, get familiar with our community, and then just follow our 2-hour workday, okay? This 2-hour workday consists of 30 minutes posting free ads on high traffic websites, and we teach you how to create 3 pieces of content to post to social media, to attract people to you, and to build your following and to monetize your social media. And then 30 minutes going live, I recommend it because it's a really good way to promote your business, grow your following, connect with people, and get instant sales. You can get instant sales by going live, guys. People are making thousands a day just creating content and going live, okay? And then just responding to messages. You have to respond to messages because people are going to comment. They're going to ask for more information. They're going to send you emails. They're going to want some, they might have some questions. So you got to respond to those questions. You got to respond to those comments. So that's how you get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours a day, guys. That's all you need to do. So you get started, you set up your automated business, and then you follow our 2-hour workday. And we have training about the 2-hour workday inside of the program too. And also right now, guys, hold on. Right now, we're also having, I forgot to mention this. We're also having this, which is really fun. We're having this 90-day success sprint. So we're going to show you how to make 30K or more in the next 90 days, guys. So every day we're going to have a training from our millionaire mentor, and we're going to have different trainings, right? So we're on day 7 right now, guys. Day 7. We just started like a week ago of this with this process.
Welcome to day 7 of our 90-day success sprint. So yesterday, hopefully you took the time and you really got to understand the wants and desires and the needs of your perfect customer so you can start creating content that will solve their problems. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to take that information that you got yesterday, and I'm going to show you how to take that and how to create endless amounts of content that will stop the scroll of your perfect customer.
So you're going to get daily training like this, okay? Daily strategies to grow your business and for mindset, everything like that. So you can make over 30K or more. So we're going to teach you the skills and what you need to do to make 30K or more in the next 90 days. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this program, if you want to get started, just go to the link in my description or just go here, go to Wealth with Dan, wealthwithdan.com, learn more about this program. It's a life-changing program. It's changing my life because I'm learning and I'm earning. You're going to be learning high income skills. Okay. That's going to change your life forever. So there's a cost. Yeah, there is a cost. There's a cost for saying no. Like the cost of saying no is you can miss out on making $1,000, like thousands of dollars. You can miss out on learning high income skills, being part of an amazing community. Because we literally have people who are making thousands of dollars a day inside of this program. So if they can do it, so can you. So the cost of saying no, you miss out on all that. The cost of saying yes, it's a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees whatsoever. Okay, one-time investment of $100, $300, $600, or $900, plus a one-time fee of $29 for your website. That's it. One-time investment, guys. And all you need is 2 sales to be in profit mode. The first sale, you get your investment back. The second sale is straight profit mode, right? So that's it. So if you want to know more, just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com. Make sure to follow me, like, and subscribe this because I go live a lot and I post content pretty much daily to help you build a successful online business. So all the best. I will see you on the next one. Blessings.